I'll show you how you can switch your language on the Zalando app. First off, of course, you'll have to go to the Zalando app on your device. After that, you'll have to click on the profile icon up there on the bottom, on the upper right, sorry, the one with the arrow I'm showing on the screen right now. After that, you have to go to the app settings. It's the third option from the overview section down there. The one, again, the one I'm showing with the arrow right there. After that, you just have to click on the current country. So right now, my current country is the United Kingdom. Again, the thing I'm showing on the arrow right now. After that, you just have to choose a country and confirm with the OK button, right? So if I want to change the language to French, I'm going to choose France and then I'm going to click on OK when it's prompted me, right? So just click on OK. After that, that's it. You're done. So the way you change the language on the Zalando app, you'll have to change the country along with it as well. So if you want the Irish language, you'll have to switch to Ireland. If you want to switch back to English, switch back to the UK, so on and so forth. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.